Hey everyone, thanks for watching I Will Build It. If you like the videos, please remember to hit like and subscribe for more content. This video is more of an I Will Fix It edition. A customer brought in an ASUS or ASUS for the rest of the world X553M laptop. The unit doesn't power on or even indicate a charger is present. This is a common issue with these units, and the fix is quite straightforward. Just a disclaimer, I have had one or two units with dead motherboards. Obviously the easiest solution being just to replace the board instead of fault finding. Let's get started. Okay, so nothing going on here. No power. Trying with the charger and still nobody home. Let's check the charger's voltage. 19.9 volts. Will definitely power on the charger. Let's flip it upside down and get the screws out. I'm going to fast forward a bit here. Okay, let's flip it over and crack open the case. Just to be careful, there's a ribbon connected to the motherboard for the trackpad as well as the keyboard. Got to get those fingers in. It is a bit tight, but just got to lift those clips and get those ribbons out. Let's see what we have here. Wow, a little bit dusty, but I'll take care of that. Let's unplug the battery connector, pushing up the little clip and then just tugging gently on the cable. Now this is where the magic happens. With the battery disconnected, we're going to take the charger and connect it to the laptop. Then we're going to turn on the laptop. Hey, look at that! We have power and a picture. Hello Windows. So the next step is to reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Make sure you push it in properly, nice and tight, so the little clip above it will lock in place. Now our next step is to shut down the laptop, or at least put it into sleep, and disconnect the charger. Then we're going to power it on without the charger connected. Hey, look at that! We have power again. And this time without the charger connected. Now I'm going to do a hard shutdown by holding the power button in. I need to clean this laptop. Nothing a soft paintbrush can't do. I'm going to have to take the system fan out and manually clean it. I don't want to take any chances with dust buildup. This does cause overheating and poor performance. Let's have a look. Not too bad, but let's rather be safe than sorry. Look at that dust under the fan. Now that the system fan is nice and clean, let's put it back in. Let's attach the connector cable. And fasten the screws. One more brush over before connecting the palm top. Now we have to do things in reverse. Gently connect the trackpad cable and the keyboard cable, making sure they're in nice and snug and clipping them tightly into place. Now let's clip the palm rest into place, making sure all the corners and edges clip in securely. Now, let's test it again without the charger connected. Power and picture. Oh, trusty paintbrush. Now let's connect the charger to see if the charge light comes on. And it does indeed. We have a battery that is charging and showing charger. Let's shut it down, disconnect the charger, and put all the screws back in the bottom. Time to fast forward again. And there we go. You have just seen how easy it is to solve the most common issue these ASUS laptops suffer from. Thank you for watching. Until next time.